1. We are squaring it. So this function of r minus 1, you are squaring this function of r minus 1. G of r is r minus what? Minus 1. G of r is r minus 1. So when the surface area, when you differentiate this, what do you get?
Yeah, the square root of 2.
When you differentiate gr, the derivative with respect to r, gr, what do you get? R minus 1. Differentiate r minus 1. What do you get? You get 1, isn't it?
It's 1, yeah.
So the surface area, it's a square root. It's always the square root of 1 plus that derivative of g of r squared. You do the same for the z, which was for the hemisphere. The hemisphere, this is square root of 1 minus 2 minus r squared. What is the derivative of this function? G of r. This function g of r. If you differentiate that, what do you get? The surface area, g of r. Okay.
Hello. Yeah, I'm checking.
We are saying square root of 1 minus r squared. What is the derivative? This is our g of r, isn't it?
It's gonna be 1/2 multiplied by.
When you different, it's going to be chain rule. That square root, what you are going to get?
It's 1/2 the square root, and then multiply by, and then
Of 1
differentiate.
r squared.
1,
isn't it?
yeah.
So remember, this is the derivative. If r squared is just the same as, it's equals to bracket 1 minus r squared to the power half. If I differentiate this, I'm going to get, first I get 1 minus r squared.
And then to the power minus 1, which is gonna be half.
Multiplied by the derivative of the inside, which is what?
1 minus. Isn't it 1 minus r? It's 1 minus.
It's minus 2r. Minus 2r. So if it's a half, which means I'm going to get that half, it comes here down. So it will be half 1 minus that to the power negative 1. So to the negative half multiplied by, this is multiplied by 2r, negative 2r. The derivative of minus r squared, it's negative what?
Negative 2. We multiply 2, yeah, and then minus 1. So it's minus 2r.
This half of 2 cancels with this one. Can you see? So the answer there, it will be minus what?
Minus r.
Over what?
Minus r.
Over what? It's equals to what? Which is equals to minus r over square root of
1 minus r squared.
Minus r. So you do the same here. When you are integrating, so here, check here what we're doing here. When we integrated, you square plus that derivative squared, isn't it? So square root of 1 plus the derivative squared. There the derivative was 1. Then for here, the derivative is what? Minus 1 over 1 minus r. So for the area of the hemisphere, 1 plus G squared R, what is it going to give you if you square?
We scale which one?
The derivative squared that you got here. Z is equals to 1 minus R squared. Then when you find the derivative, which means the area, D area is equal to 1 plus G of R squared. Multiplied by.
I was squaring the minus R over square root of 1 minus R squared.
Yeah. We are also squaring. Negative, what do you get? The negative. If it's a negative squared, what do you get? This negative squared. It's a positive, isn't it?
Mm.
Yes. So that's why we are having 1. 1. We are integrating for the hemisphere 0 to 1. That R which you are seeing is this one. Can you see that R?
Mm.
Over square root of 1 minus R squared. Then you integrate dr dt. You do the same here, like what we did for the cone.
Oh.
The cone, we found it derivative 1. We substitute the 1 plus that 1 squared. So it's 1 plus. Everything is under the square root. I don't know if you are answered. If you square this one, what do you get, Mike?
Which one?
This one. If you square that one, negative R over square root of 1 minus R squared, if you square everything, isn't it you are going to get a positive R squared? Are you not going to get a positive R squared? Are you not going to get a positive R squared? Isn't it? And then the denominator, you are going to get 1 minus what?
R squared.
Yes, you have squared. Then what is the square root of this answer now? The square root of this, because the formula is saying square root of 1 plus that G R squared, which you squared. So it will be 1 plus what you have squared here. So what will be the square root of this answer? That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
The square root is R.
It's
Over
R.
square root of 1 minus what?
R squared.
Is this one, which is here. The R is that.
Are you allowed to write it as 1 minus R? The one at the bottom.
It's 1 minus R squared. Y minus R. It's under the square root. It's not multiplication. You can't say 1 minus R. 1 minus R squared. Square root of 1 minus R squared. The square root of R squared is only R, but the square root of 1 minus R squared is not 1 minus R. It's not. You hear what I'm saying?
It can't be the same as the one in the numerator.
It can't cancel. Then when you integrate, you get everything.
Yeah.
The surface area is 2 pi. Surface area is 2 pi. Then the volume. The volume is the one which we were doing. This one. The volume. The answer for the volume was pi. The volume element is pi. That was the final answer for the volume element, which is pi. The answer for V was pi. But I will show you the working for the integral, this one, from here. How to maneuver from here. Because I'm seeing you're having a problem.
Can you please send me these slides so that I can practice?
Yes. How to move from here. This integral. This is your problem. The problem you said you can't solve this one.
I will try to do it on my own. Then I'll send you the answer.
All right. So let me forward you the one for the surface area and the one for this one that we're doing. It's a long question there. Once you get 21 marks, you find another question, you have already passed.
So, say, can we please do the tomorrow? What are we going to do?
It's up to you. You are the one who tell me what you want me to assist you with. You give me the work that you want me to help you. It was
Okay.
me responding to what you want me to do. So if you don't give things, I will just look for the ones from the question papers. But you are the one who should give me what you want me to be assisting you with.
Remember, we spoke about question for display. Remember the type 1 region, and because that one is gonna come. So maybe we can start with it.
Forward the question so
Okay.
that I can go straight to that question. Yes, open that question which you need help, then you just send it now. So I've sent the solutions for today. What's left is just the recording.
Mm.
Then
Okay.
okay.
Thank you.
Send it again. Then there's still time to ponder this and then warm up. Just a strategy.
Mm.
So there's no need to panic. Just need a strategy. Revise to see how you can get your way out. Okay.
Okay.